Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to print the string in the triangle form like this. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which is not executed in the runtime, which is start with a hash symbol. It is called single line command. Next line starting with the 3 double quotation, here ending with the 3 double quotation, that is called multi-line command. It is also not executed in the runtime. Next line, Saravanan I am going to assign to S variable S, that is string array, string single dimension array. The S of 0th location S will assign, S of first location A will assign, S of second location R, S of third location A, S of fourth location V, S of fifth location A, S of sixth location N, S of seventh location A, S of eighth location. It's vary from 0 to n minus 1, that is length is 9, it vary from 0 to 8. Next line, loop statement, that I value I am setting the range length of s, that is 0 to 9, 0 to 8 condition is true. Okay, every loop statement is end with the colon, then control comes inside the loop. Here also one loop statement, I am going to assign j value range, that is range is I plus 1, I value is 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So j value is 0 to 1, condition is true. So control comes here and it will print s of 0th location value, s will print. Then end equal to within single quotation means a cursor will wait immediate next column, then control comes here, j value is 0, 0 plus 1, 1 less than 1, condition is false, then control comes here and it is used to move the cursor to immediate next line, cursor will come here. Then control comes to outer loop, that is I value 0 plus 1, 1, then condition is true, control comes inside, once again j value is reassigned, that is j value is 0 to I plus 1, I value is 1 plus 1, 2, 0 to 2, condition is true, then control comes here, current j value is 0, s of 0th location value s print, then control comes here and it increment j value become 1, 1 to 2, condition is true, then control comes here and it will print s of first location value a, then control comes here and increment the j value, 1 plus 1 it will become 2, 2 less than 2, condition is false, then control comes here and move the cursor to immediate next line, then control goes to outer loop, I value 1, 1 plus 1 it will become 2, then condition is true, control comes inside the loop, that j value range is 0 to I plus 1, 2 plus 1, 0 to 3, 0 less than 3, condition is true, the control comes here and it print s of 0th location value, then control comes here and increment the j value, the j value is 0 plus 1, 1, 1 less than 3, condition is true, again control comes here and print the s of first location value a, then control goes here and it will increment 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 less than 3, condition is true, then it will print s of second location value, then it will wait immediate next column, then control comes here and 2 plus 1 it will become 3, 3 less than 3, condition is false, control comes here and move the cursor from here to here, then control goes to outer loop value 2, 2 plus 1 it will become 3, condition is true, control comes inside the loop, j value once again range will set, that is 0 to I value 3 plus 1, 4, 0 to 4, condition is true, s of 0th location value s will print, then control comes here and then increment the j value become 1, then s of first location value will print, then control comes here, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 less than 4, condition is true, and s of second location value will print, then control comes here, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 less than 4, condition is true, then it will print s of third location value, then control comes here, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 less than 4, condition is false, control comes here and move the cursor to immediate next column, immediate next line, then control goes to outer loop, now I value become 5 5 I value become 5, then like that it will print. When the I value become 8 when I value become 8, condition is true, the control comes here, and j value, reassign that j value 0 to 9, 0 to 9. So 0th location value will print yes, then control comes here and increment the j value, that is 0 plus 1 1, condition is true, then control comes here and it will print the s of first location value, then it will wait immediate next column, then control comes here and increment the j value 1 plus 1, it will become 2, and control comes here and it will print the s of second location value, or then it will wait immediate next column, then control comes here and j value 2 plus 1, it will become 3, condition is true, and s of third location value will print, then control comes here, 3 plus 1 4, 4 less than 9, condition is true, s of fourth location value, s of fourth location value v is print, then control comes here and increment 4 plus 1 5, 5 less than 9, condition is true, and fifth location value a is print, then control comes here and increment the j value becomes 6, 6 less than 9, condition is true, s of sixth location value n print, then control comes here and it will increment 6 plus 1 7, condition is true, then control comes here and print s of seventh location value a, then control comes here and it will increment the j value 7 plus 1 8, condition is 8 less than 8 greater than 9, condition is true, then it will print n, then control comes here, j value become 9, 9 greater than 9, condition is false, control comes here and move the cursor to immediate next line, then control goes to outer loop, I value is 80, 8 plus 1 9, 9 less than 9, condition is false, then control comes here and there is no other statement. We will run the program and see the output. Fi is used to run the program. You can get like this output. Okay, fine. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon and share to social media. Thank you.